Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool SEAT. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2023 SEAT Arona Experience. Now of course you get full LED headlights at the front. You also then get these brilliant painted alloy wheels. Now of course these are a 17-inch painted alloy wheel. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do actually get on these alloys. But coming around to the rear now, as you can see, we've got your rear parking sensors as well. Then coming into the tailgate, as you can see, we've got plenty of space in here. We've also got your multi-level boot floor, which you can see just there, like so. You've then got 60-40 split folding rear seats. Then coming out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got your cloth black and cloth grey interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've then got full electric windows all round. You've got full keyless entry and start on this car as well. But then coming inside the car, we've got your 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got your stop start off and central lock-in and your engine start stop just here. We've got your wireless phone charger in the middle, 2 USB Type-C charge ports, and then of course we have got your dual climate control in the front. Then we've got your touchscreen display in the middle. This does come with your satellite navigation. Comes with your various media sources, various radio sources, and of course your full link, which enables your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. Then over to the steering wheel now, we've got your cruise control settings here on the left, including your distance control. The volume is up out the way, as you can hear. On the right hand side, we have got your onboard computer controls just at the top half just here. Down below we've got your track select and Bluetooth hands-free. Now of course you do get 4 different views on this display, as it is a digital cockpit, but you can see them just there then. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Arona Experience, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool SEAT.